Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find public IP address without using any third-party software in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for command prompt. Under first, let's see the application. Just click on it. Now the command prompt program will get open. Now here you need to type one command. So I'll be leaving this command in the video description, so you can directly copy and paste it here, and after that just hit enter. Now here you will see written non-authoritative answer, and below to it you will see here the address, which is my respective public IP address. So you can see the respective number. So this public IP address will be different on different computers. So by using this method, you can easily find public IP address without using any third-party software in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.